All right. Thank you so much. Today we are commemorating the World Radio Day, and the theme is Radio and Peace. So radio is very important in communities and at nation at large, because we use radio as an instrument to further the notion of peace. Peace brings people together, and we as Zimbabweans, we are a peaceful citizens. So peace is one of our major core value as Zimbabweans. So on radio we can play music and have some discussions that brings together Zimbabweans peacefully. Zimbabwe is a diverse country. We have a lot of languages, and we have some stations that speaks in our local languages, language like Shona, Isindebele, Kalanga, Venda, to cement the diversity of being Zimbabwean.